So we just made homemade vanilla extract, and we're homesteaders, so of course we're not gonna just throw away these used beans. We are going to reuse them. I've actually used them 3 times already. I've just made 3 batches of vanilla extract with them. I just add more alcohol to these same beans, and they've given me 3 batches of vanilla extract, and they're still good. So today we're gonna make vanilla sugar out of them. Let's do it. They're trying to get these out. You should probably use a jar that has a bigger mouth to it. Okay. That's embarrassing. I'm getting one. I got it. I feel like if I just shake it, they should just come out. But there's too many. That would really stink if I got my fingers stuck in this bottle. I'm always telling the kids not to put their appendages in small spots. Almost got 2. Yay! I think this is the hardest part of making the vanilla sugar, is just getting the old beans out. Okay, I'm gonna use 4, and I'm gonna use the rest of these for something else. Okay, so I am going to slice each bean open and then scrape the vanilla caviar goodness out into my sugar. You don't have to do that. You could just like chop these up and throw them in the sugar. That would be an even more hands-off approach to making vanilla, but I feel like scraping the caviar out will just make it go a little bit faster and just make sure that we get that vanilla flavor infusion in there. The ratio that we're going for is 1 bean per 1 cup of sugar. That'll give us the right level of vanilla infusion into our sugar. Okay, so I got my 4 beans and my 4 cups of sugar. And now I'm just going to add that vanilla caviar to the sugar. We used to have the best spoon for this, but I couldn't find it. I think it was a grapefruit spoon. It was like kind of pointy with jagged edges, and it was great for scraping these out. But our kids were starting to get in this habit of, if we were out of spoons, they would eat like cereal or yogurt or whatever with random spoons, like giant serving spoons or weird like jagged grapefruit spoons. They would just grab whatever so that they didn't have to wash a spoon. And so we hid all of our weird spoons, and now I can't find the grapefruit one that I like to use for this, so I'm just using a regular spoon. Tell me if my kids are the only ones that do that. This one's so full of goodness, I'm just gonna squeeze it out. This is honestly easier than the spoon. But if you're like, I don't want to touch everything, then you can use the spoon. But I'm just use my fingers. See, it's already turning brown. Oh, it looks and smells so good. Now I'm going to cut the pods into thirds and toss those into the sugar too, just for extra flavor and so I'm not wasting anything. So you can put this vanilla sugar in basically anything that calls for vanilla and sugar and it'll be good. I particularly like it in coffee or tea, oatmeal, yogurt. I like to sprinkle it on top of muffins. I like to use it in whipped cream when I make my homemade whipped cream. Even just buttered toast, it's good. You might not taste it as much in like a baked good, like a muffin or cookies. It's good there too, but to like really get the full flavor effect, it's good if it's sort of sprinkled on something. So keep that in mind. I've got all the sugar into this jar, and so now I'm just going to shake it every once in a while and let it do its thing and infuse for a couple weeks, and then it'll be good to go. So it's definitely not as long of a wait time as the homemade extract, which is good because we're kind of impatient around here. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time, and we'll be using the rest of these beans for something else.